Hello, I am Dr. Arun Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Hindu Postgraduate College, Jamania Gaidipur. I am focusing some of the ideas about the sources of water pollution. Water pollution is a result of various things. The major sources can be classified as industry, agriculture, household. Man-made situations are typically and the cause of water pollution. Often it's unintended and unknown that action are contributing to water pollution. About industry, there are three main ways that industry contributes to water pollution. They pollute by disposing the waste directly into waterway, emitting toxic gases that causes acid rain and changing the temperature of water with their disposal into waterway. First, direct disposal of water wastes into natural waterway causes waste to build up within the water, resulting in a pungent odor. Additionally, this water decreases the amount of oxygen in water, causing the death of aquatic animal or other organisms. The emission of toxic fumes into the air causes acid rain. When acid rain fall, it contaminates local natural waterways, including streams, rivers, and lakes. This causes the death of many aquatic animals. Thermal pollution occurs when water used to cool hot machinery is released into waterways and temperature of the water is drastically increased. This temperature change may cause aquatic life to die and number of to be reduced. Additionally, such a temperature increase decrease the amount of oxygen in water. Now, in case of agriculture, it is common for farmer to use fertilizer, pesticides, and other chemicals on their crop to help them grow. However, these chemical and nutrients added to the soil can soak into the underground water supplies. Additionally, when it rains, these chemicals join and run off water and flow into streams, rivers, and lakes, thus polluting them. Now, in case of household are the leading cause of direct population pollution of trash they create, even if taken to landfill. Often this trash finds its way to natural ways. It is septic system is not installed properly or burst beneath the ground. The underground water supply may be polluted. Pollution due to detergent used is a major kind of water pollution. Water pollution can be of two types. First, point source pollution, and second one is non-point source pollution. Point source pollution refer to contaminant that enter the waterway from a single indefinable sources such as pipes or ditch. For example, the sources of this category include discharge from a sewage treatment plant, factory, or a city drainage system. And second, in case of non-point sources, NPS pollutions refer to diffuse contamination that does not originate from single discrete sources. Non-point sources pollution is often the cumulative effect of small amount of contaminants gathered from a large area. Some of the common examples are leaching out of nitrogen compounds from fertilized agricultural land or a forest. Now, finally, some sources of water pollution, some days, dumping of industrial waste contaminate containing heavy metals, harmful chemicals, byproducts, organic toxin, and oil into nearby sources of water is one of the visible cause of water pollution. Another cause for the contamination of water is the improper disposal of human and animal wastes. Next, a number of pollutants, both harmful and poisonous, enter in groundwater system through rainwater. Next, untreated plant pollutants are drained into the nearest water body such as stream, lake, harbor, causing water pollution. Next and last, pathogens, sediment and chemical pollutants are other sources of water pollution. Thank you.